The following are 5 of the most commonly used natural hyperhidrosis treatment methods. Number 1. Sage tea. Sage tea has long been used as a traditional European medicine that was used to treat a wide range of health conditions such as excess sweating. While modern research on the health effects of sage tea is quite limited thanks to big pharma, many people find that drinking sage tea daily helps to reduce their sweating. Number 2. Baking soda soak. Though this will not work for everyone, some people find that soaking their hands or feet in a mixture of half baking soda and half water helps to reduce their palm or feet sweating. For this method to work, simply add a half and half mixture of baking soda and warm water into a mixing container that is large enough to accommodate the hands or feet. After soaking for around 15 to 20 minutes, dry your hands or feet with a towel. Note that rinsing off your hands or feet after soaking will wash off the baking soda and prevent this method from working. Number 3. Diet. In some cases, food allergies can cause the symptoms of hyperhidrosis. To find out if a food allergy is the cause of your sweating, it is suggested to cut out all sugar, carbs, and dairy-containing products for up to 1 month. For some people, reducing their intake of caffeinated beverages, such as coffee or energy drinks, has helped to reduce their sweating. When eating out in public, try ordering foods that are not hot or spicy, which will likely intensify your symptoms of hyperhidrosis and make for a rather awkward dinner date. Number 4. Tactical breathing. Often used by police and military officials to help keep calm under pressure, the use of tactical breathing can quickly help to calm the nervous system and reduce sweating. To conduct this method of breathing, simply start by inhaling a full breath of air within the amount of time it takes you to count to 4. Then hold that breath for another 4 count. Then release it for another 4 count. Then hold for another 4 count before repeating the process. Number 5. Meditation. Meditation is another method that can be used to help those with anxiety-related hyperhidrosis. Some popular methods of meditations include mindfulness meditation and transcendental meditation. For those who are interested in learning how to do these types of meditations, there are lots of great guided videos that can be found for free on YouTube. As always, if you found this information useful, please help us out by giving us a like and smashing that subscribe button.